In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana Premium. Asana Premium is a powerful platform designed to help you organize projects, collaborate with your team, and stay on top of your work with greater clarity. In this walkthrough, you'll learn how to make the most of its key features so you can improve productivity and keep everything running smoothly. Let's begin with the timeline view, which works like a visual project planner. Open any project you're currently working on, then click the Timeline tab at the top. This view allows you to see how your tasks are scheduled over time. To set or adjust dates, simply click and drag the taskbars across the calendar. It's a very intuitive way to manage timelines and quickly spot overlaps or gaps. You can also connect tasks by setting dependencies. If one task needs to be completed before another can begin, draw a connection between them. This helps you visualize the order of work and identify any potential delays before they become issues. If plans change, you can easily adjust task dates by dragging them, and everything updates in real time. Next, take advantage of advanced search and reporting. Use the search bar and switch to advanced filters to define exactly what you're looking for. You can filter tasks based on assignments, deadlines, or priority levels across different projects. Once you've created a useful search, save it so you can quickly return to it without setting everything up again. To keep your projects consistent, use custom fields. Open the Customize panel in your project and add fields that match your workflow, such as priority, budget, or progress status. These fields help organize your tasks and make it easier to sort, filter, and understand important details at a glance. If you're handling multiple projects, portfolios are incredibly helpful. Navigate to the Portfolio section and group related projects together. This gives you a high-level view of progress and allows you to monitor performance and potential risks in real time. Within portfolios, you can also use the Workload view to manage your team's capacity. This feature shows who has too much work and who has room to take on more. You can rebalance tasks directly from this view, helping prevent overload and keeping your team operating efficiently. Finally, if you manage your organization settings, visit the Admin console to control permissions and strengthen security. Setting up additional protection measures ensures your data stays safe and well managed. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.